A four-stroke engine, also known as four-cycle, is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes which comprise a single thermodynamic cycle. A stroke refers to the full travel of the piston along the cylinder, in either direction. The term engine block is often used synonymously with cylinder block, although technically distinctions can be made between en bloc cylinders as a discrete unit versus engine block designs with yet more integration that comprise the crankcase as well. And it contained two parts. As we see, these parts that contain piston cylinder which the piston move its stroke through it. The second part that contains spark plug and two exhaust valve. One of this valve is inlet valve for lets fuel and air in, and the other valve is exhaust valve for lets exhaust gases out after combustion process occur. This is the two-hole FO2 valve which they move through it. The first valve is inlet valve. When it open, it permit for a mix of fuel and air to enter and the spark plug work. Then the combustion happen. After this the exhaust valve open and permit the exhaust gases to exit. The motion of two valves for opening and close through camshaft that permit the inlet valve and exhaust valve to open or close. We will see now another important parts of four-stroke engine. It is a crankshaft. This important parts contain some different elements such as ball bearing, connecting rod, piston and flywheel. As we see, this element is deep groove ball bearing that consists of outer ring and inner ring, and rolling element it is a balls and a separator between it. It is another one deep groove ball bearing on the another side a flywheel. This moving element used to fix and rotate the camshaft in a smooth motion. And this part is a connecting rod that consider a link between piston with crankshaft and flywheel and transfer the motion of piston on side cylinder block by the effect of combustion of air and fuel. As we explained before, in the design of flywheel allow the piston to move up down to make its stroke with reciprocating motion.
Shearing operations, the edges of two knives, a fixed lower blade, and a vertically moving upper blade meet progressively from one side of the workpiece to the other to shear the material like ordinary hand shears. The angle at which the upper and lower blades are aligned with each other is called